Hi, I'm Dulci Hill, and I just wanted to do a little video while I'm sitting here in the 56 T-Bird. It's hard to see, let's see. So there's the back. I've been driving it all around town. I'm gonna see if I can get this. So this is my T-Bird. Anyway, it's so much fun. So Winston and I have been driving it all over. Say hi, Winston. All right, he's not going to say hi, but having such a good time, you know. And my walker will fit right next to me, and there's another one in the trunk of the car. And I'm telling you what. Just having a hobby. I could garden or clean the house or finish laundry, but instead I'd like to take the T-Bird out. So I've been driving all around, and if any of you guys come to Bel Air or want to come to Bel Air and go for a ride in the T-Bird, you let me know when you're coming. I even have a guest bedroom that you've got a place that you can stay. I love you all. God bless you. Please subscribe to my video, and I'll talk to you soon.